Hello, I'm here with Sam Thomas from County Business Clubs, and Sam came to me and the Network My Club team with the idea of running a virtual awards night. And awards nights and events up and down the country are unfortunately being cancelled, and we put our heads together. Sam wanted to celebrate the successes, big and small, across Sussex for the work that he does with County Business Clubs. And the result is the Virtual Business Awards Sussex. And I'm delighted to reveal the floor plan that we've been working on using the Remo platform for the awards night itself. So Sam, I'm going to reveal the floor plan, and I'll let you tell a little bit more about the evening itself. So here we go. So this is the Virtual Business Awards floor plan, and as you can see, it looks fantastic. And to just show you guys around the floor plan, we've got the main awards night with tables of 5 in the middle. We've even got a bar area at the top where I'm sure a few people will be going to and from throughout the night. Great for networking opportunities there. We've got 4 sponsors booths, so each in the corner with their tables of 5. We've got Creative Pod, X-Tech Cloud, Carpenter Box and Preston Insurance Brokers, each with their own private area for their guests and their colleagues. We've got a help area here in front of the fire, and even a couple of seats by the piano. Sam and I are currently on the stage here, where we'll be inviting the award winners throughout the night and presenting them with the awards. So Sam, I'll get us back on the screen. So Sam, just give a quick overview about the awards, who it's in aid of as well, and how it's going to work.
Lovely, yeah, thanks Brad. It's looking great, the floor plan. I'm really excited about the evening. As you said, we just sort of wanted to put on an awards just to bring the community together really, and like I say, celebrate the Sussex businesses, however big or small, whatever achievements they've done this year, because it's been a tough one for many. Obviously it's in aid of Rocking Horse Children's Charity as well, which people that know me will know that's a charity very close to my heart. So obviously charities have been hit very hard by the pandemic, and want to try and do our little bit for them. So yeah, it's going to be a fantastic year. We've got 6 great awards. Massive thanks to our 4 headline sponsors, and there's some great opportunities to get involved. So grab a table, grab a seat, and we'll hopefully see you at the bar.
Absolutely, yeah. Thursday the 17th of December, 6 till 8 p.m, with an after party in Network My Pub as well. So what's not to like? Sam's one of our regulars at Network My Pub as well. So
Of course. I've got my own tab now, Brad, haven't I?
Absolutely. So there's tickets, there's tables available. We'll include the link here. There's nominations still open for a few more days as well, with a voting process to follow. But we'll have one last look at the floor plan. As you can see, it looks fantastic, and we're really looking forward to hosting it. So Sam, can't wait.
Brilliant. Good times.